everyone. We are back at the home build site. Hey, babe.
Walk this way. We're about 3 feet down. We got about another foot to go. On this side. Yeah, this side too. Maybe more, because this side is still a little higher. This side is going to be the deepest side, though. Not even quite 4 feet, because the ground goes like this. And we want to keep that, because that sheds water away from us. But not this drastic.
So what else do we got going on down there, babe?
The same thing. Digging. Digging, and more digging. I'm digging over here. I dug out a nice flat spot over here. We're pretty close to where we need to be. I'm just, now that I got a flat spot, I can start chopping away at this and get me a finished area, a spot that's done, so that I know what to dig everything else out to and not have to keep waiting for my pole guy to be where I need him to be. Because once I have an idea, it's easier to judge how much to take out. Does that make sense? That means I might be able to get another 5 or 6 swipes at it before I actually need somebody to run the toner, whatever it's called, isotoner.
This is a pretty level spot that he's got himself on, closest to grade that any of this other stuff is, and that's where he's gonna work from.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep working back until we get there.
Yeah, and I think I'll run the toner today since it's just Marcel and I.
Oh yeah, we might not even dig. I don't know. Are we digging?
I don't know.
I guess we can.
Why wouldn't we? Because it's just me and you?
That's one reason. The problem I have with... it's not going to be a problem. It just means I got to jump out and move big rocks and stuff like that is all. Because you're not going to move big rocks. You already don't feel good. We beat ourselves up yesterday trying to get that worm farm fed. I don't want you moving big rocks.
Well, what do you want to do? Take it easy today? Do something else?
I was going to do... What was I talking about doing? I already talked about something, didn't I? I probably did in my head. I don't know, maybe I just fire up the tractor and we dig for a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
I could try to dig this out. I guess we can set up the... Oh, I know what it was.
What?
That gas tank. I got that battery charged. I wanted to...
Try to fix it?
No. Otherwise, I probably should have said it.
When we purchased our tractor, we also purchased the diesel gas tank with it.
100-gallon diesel gas station.
And it is not working, so Marcel's gonna try to work on it a little bit and see if he can figure out what's going on with it.
Yeah, I got cheaper diesel in there to use it with the tractor instead of
pouring 5 gallons in there at a time.
Yeah, from a container, man. I got a gas
pump.
Those
containers are a pain in the butt, man.
Yeah, you want to talk about some real fine freaking
engineering?
Yeah, man. Them people, they really got it figured out. Called off-road diesel.
Well, it looks like it works. It just needed to be hooked up to the battery.
No, look, come here. Look at this whole section is burnt. So I'm gonna cut it off right here and just attach these terminals back onto there. It'll just be shorter now.
Okay.
Right, because I'm not gonna cut that out and splice that little piece. Cool. I feel so much better about that.
Well, it's a relief to know that that repair isn't as major as some of the things that we run into. Alright, we got this all figured out. I think we're gonna go maybe dig for a little bit. I don't know. We'll see.
We'll find something to do on the homestead. Bucket! I could have pushed the rock down the hill with that!
our neighbor is here and he's showing us what our tractor is capable of doing. We have a dozer bucket, which means that grading,
That's a digging stance.
yeah, so digging level is easier this way with the dozer bucket. It's gonna try to show us a little bit, so yeah, we'll check it out, guys. How do you feel about all this, babe?
I love learning new things.
It's pretty awesome.
It makes me excited to
Get in there and do it again?
Yeah, to run the tractor again, because like I didn't know. I mean, I should have known, but I didn't know. But that's what that sucker is. It's a bulldozer, man. We got a bulldozer with wheels instead of a track.
How cool.
No, how easy it would have been to move those rocks that I
Having a hard time with.
the trash pile.
That is so crazy. We're slow, you guys. We're learning, though.
That's it. Learning.
We're learning.
Nobody showed me how to do this. Everything I've learned at specialty so far, our neighbor has come up and helped us with, taught me. But he ran a dozer. He heard him. He was running one of these in the 70s.
Yeah, it's been such a blessing to have our neighbor come over and just teach us a lot.
Yeah. Share his experiences.
Yeah. This is awesome, babe.
Yeah.
You guys, we are here with our neighbor. He comes to visit, gives us tips, and then he gets antsy and wants to get in the tractor and show us how it works. So he's showing us how it's done.
It was his profession for a long time. He said 30 years he ran it.
He must miss it.
He must, yeah, because he hasn't been able to do it in so long. He's got a little tractor.
Yeah.
But it's a big piece of equipment. And it's like the kind that he was running back in his day.
How cool is that? He gets to relive a little bit. So after our neighbor was up here, showing us a little bit of how our tractor works with the bucket. Come on, babe.
Yeah. Turns out my backhoe's got a dozer bucket on it. I've been digging like a 1/4 of an inch at a time because I didn't want to bang up the front of my front end loader bucket.
Right.
And all I got to do is open the front of it up and there's a dozer bucket. And I could cut like 1 inch at a time.
Yep. So as you see, he was out here working and did a little bit, but it got Marcel excited, and I'm really excited, so we're gonna go back at it for a while. Marcel's airing up the tire. We noticed it was a little low.
Yeah, this tire goes low. It takes like 2 or 3 weeks to get down to about 8, from 25 to 18. So you don't want to get too much lower than that, because you pop the sucker off the rim. Yeah, if it doesn't destroy the tire, you still got to take it in and get it put back on.
Right. We don't have the equipment to do that.
Good enough.
All right, let's get back at it. Okay.
I said catch it. You were supposed to catch it.
Oh, nice catch, babe.
Jeez.
He's so handy. Now he's chirping me. Let's see what you got, baby.
Come this way. Cloud formation starting to turn. See, like this whole thing is starting to... Look at over there.
What a beautiful end to the day.
Yes, Arkansas needed a shower.